welcome to Crafty Kids. My name is Jessica. I am a part-time employee here at the Octavia Fill-In Public Library. And today I will be working with you to do build and design your own kites. Okay, so for today's Crafty Kids, for your supply kits you receive the support bars, the kite itself, and a string in order to put everything together. So we are going to be designing our own design, your own design, on top of this kite before you put the supports in. In addition, you will need for yourself some tape for extra support, some markers in order to make your design, or whatever you would prefer if you want to throw something on there, scissors, and you can also cut out some plastic like a trash bag in order to put a tail on this kite. Okay, so now that we have our drawing finished, we're going to put in I like to put in the string first, just because I say it would make it a little bit easier. And for me, I just wrap it through and I tie it in a knot somewhere in the middle so that it can just stay in the middle. Some people just do like a separate loop, they wrap it around and then they tie another string to it, but that is up to you on how you want to do that. So I'm going to poke this in here. And there are little areas here that has like a hole. So you're just going to put your string through there. But it does take a little bit of finesse. Need a little bit more string. Turn over. We're now going to go through the other hole. Sometimes these holes are not big enough, so you're just going to put just a tiny hole in there, just to put through. And sometimes this one wasn't going in there. Okay. Alright, so we have our string. I'm going to turn it over. So your drawing will be on the outside. Some people like to do it on the inside. Again, that's up to you. But I am just going to cross it and then tie it off. You can just do a double knot, very simple. If you want to, you can actually leave a little bit of extra string afterwards. So it should look something like this. So beneath it, you're going to leave some room because you're going to also do your supports. So you got a long one and a short one. So the short one is actually going to go in the middle and the long one is going to go to the sides. So we're going to put the long one in first, make sure it goes underneath the string. I'm going to put it in real quick. And it will bend, so you're going to put the bend kind of to the side or hold it down. Then you're going to put in the shorter one and secure it. So it should look something like this with like a little spring. So you have your kite put together, but for extra support, because this is a kite, you're going to put a little bit of extra tape at the very ends just to keep it in place. Because the winds are, sometimes gusty, it might wiggle out. And since we have that done, this will be free. And there you have your kites. Okay, so at the very end of your bottom part of your kite, you're actually going to attach your tail. This just helps it to fly a lot better because there's weight at the end. So you're basically going to cut out strips of plastic bags. It does not have to be perfect, just a little wide, just so it can catch the wind if it needs to. So you're just going to tie it off at the very end. Simple knot, a double knot can do, just so that you have a little bit on the edge and a very, very long tail if you'd like to. For me, I would like to do 2 tails just because it gives a little bit more, but you can just do 1 as a simple. Thank you for joining us for our Crafty Kids. I hope you enjoyed the demonstration. What we did today was to design and build your own kites using some of the supplies provided to you. So if you would like to, please subscribe to us during our Facebook, our Instagram. We have many more to offer you. If you'd like to go to our YouTube channel, we also have other Crafty Kids activities for you. We have limited supply kits to be given out to individuals. If you'd like to request for that, please do a request through our supply kit on our website, or you can give us a call. And our phone number is 505-863-1291. And that is it for today. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.